Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your Facebook photos private. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my Facebook profile already open, and so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and scroll down to where you see photos. And this will open up all of my photos that I'm tagged in. And you can make full albums private, you can make individual photos private, so I'll walk you through that right now. Let's start with albums. If I just click on 27 more albums, and I'll just click on a random album. This is Christmas 2016, which is crazy. And if I want to make this private, the only thing I have to do is click on the three dots, click edit, and then you're going to go to audience, and you're going to change it from friends to only me. This makes it so nobody else can see it except for me. And then it's save, and you're done. And now this album is totally only me, private, and if you want to change it, just go back and do the same thing and save. Now, if you want to just make an individual post or photo private, just go back out of here. Let's go to photos that I've uploaded. And let's click on one of them. This photo I uploaded a couple days ago. If I want to make this photo private, what I want to do is go to more options, which is right after all these different tags. This says tag photo, edit location, view, full size. The last one is more options, and that's where you click on edit photo. You can just scroll down, and it says at the end, edit post privacy. And this is so who can see this post, who can see this photo. Right now it says friends. I can change that to public or friends accept or see more, and I can go down to only me, and now it is private. It's only me. The only one who can see this photo, and then you can put done editing. Now if I go back on, say, this photo is not a photo I uploaded. It is a photo that I was tagged in. So if I want to remove this photo, I can't just put more options and then edit photo and then change audience, because it's not a photo that I put up. The only way you can take that off and hide that photo is to hide from your timeline, and then you click remove, and that'll be removed from your timeline and removed your tag so that nobody can see it because it's not in your photo or your profile anymore. And that is it. It's quick and simple. Let us know if you guys have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.